Have you ever wondered if stress could be more of an ally than an adversary in your lifelong learning journey? Welcome to another enlightening episode on Grow and Learn, a platform where wellness, learning, and skill development intertwine to nurture your holistic growth. As we embark on our journey today, we dive into the sea of stress that often accompanies our continuous learning and growth. It's no secret that stress is an inevitable companion on our learning path. If left unchecked, it can hinder our progress and dampen our wellness. But what if we could convert this apparent adversary into an ally? Converting stress into a productive force is possible through mindful stress management. Techniques like mindful breathing, yoga, and taking timely breaks can become stepping stones towards a serene learning experience. They are not merely practices, but tools for cultivating a balanced life where learning, skills, and wellness harmoniously coexist. Here are 3 practical tips for you. Tip 1. Embrace pauses. Integrate short breaks into your learning schedule. They rejuvenate both mind and body. Tip 2. Mindful moments. Dedicate time daily to mindfulness practices. They help ground your energy. And tip 3. Celebrate milestones. Honor your achievements, both big and small. They fuel your learning journey with positivity. At Grow and Learn, we firmly believe in the power of community and support. They play a vital role in transforming stress into productive energy. Sharing experiences, challenges, and victories in a supportive environment paves the way for collective growth and wellness. So, as we continue to sail through the seas of continuous learning, remember this: managing stress mindfully is not a destination. It's a constant companion that helps us navigate towards a balanced and enriched life. So don't forget to subscribe to Grow and Learn to delve deeper into these realms. Do like, share, and comment with your own experiences and insights. Together, we can cultivate a thriving community of mindful learners. Until next time, keep growing and learning.